Let's get you started with setting up your login to Matrix. You have your login credentials here. Copy and paste the temporary password to start your trial. Enter your email and the password to sign in here. At the top, you can change your password and set up multi-factor authentication. The setup guide is down here. First, go to General Settings. Your company name will already be here. Then you enter your address and website. You can configure your email if you wish. Add your domain and region here. Remember to configure your DNS records with your domain provider, which can take up to 24 hours. Please set up your domain management before you configure your email settings. Here's the company sender name and the address. This is the primary point of contact for the person here. You put it in here, and then we have some other settings. We have the currency you want to use, your time zone, and then the working hours per employee per year. We have the working hours, and then very importantly, we have the yearly turnover and the operating expenses excluding admin salaries. We will provide explanations for these terms elsewhere as well. Remember to save the changes. This is your work week. You can input the patterns up here, or you can click and drag over here. And these are your plan settings if you want to manage them. Then we move on to the next step, setting up your role management. In the system, we have different roles because it makes sense that not everyone has access to everything. So these are the employee settings. You can just tap here if you want them to have access to this as well. Then input the different levels. If you want to add a new role, you can do it here. After that, we need to set up the teams and departments. We start with the department. We add a department, MEP. We can write a description, and then we create it. From here, we want to add a team. We add a team, call it electrical, select a department, and then create the team. From here, we can add even more departments and more teams. After that, we want to invite people from our team. We can do it from here, or we can go into HR where we add employees. We put in the names, the email, the role, the position, a team, which type of employment it is, if it's permanent or flex time, the date of birth, employment date, emergency contacts, and you can upload a photo of the employee. Then you select the work location, which might be hybrid, the number of vacation hours entitled per year, and the utilization rate for the person. If it's an overhead employee, an admin, or support staff who do not have billable hours, you can tap here. And then you simply create the employee, and you can do that for every employee you want in here.